Often, our data is split across multiple tables. To work effectively with this data, sometimes we might need to join the tables together. In this video, I will show you the several ways to join data. Here, reading some data that are related to penguins. The first data is just showing two columns with this new variable called the penguin ID. Then the measures is basically showing the columns body mass and the flipper length along with the IDs. The lookup as similarly the ID column and other variables, why the penguin has the complete table but just a few entries and then additional column for the penguin data. Moving on, I would join this first two data, which is the penguin info and the penguin measures. I would click on this and append a block called merge, lookup and merge. I'll come back to this merge block later. So we append this block. The lookup and merge block takes two data sets and combine them based on a unique column ID. I would then drag this to join the second data. We have quite some options. There are several ways which we can join. We have the left join, and as you can see, it says you can keep all the row from the left side of the dataset, which means you can keep all the entries that are available on the penguin information. If we select the inner join, this what it does is that it keeps all the matching entries from both datasets. And on the right join keeps all rows from the right side. This means all the entries available in the penguin measures are being merged. The full join takes all the available entries in both datasets and join them together. So it means we have all the entries of X and all the entries of Y joined together. The semi join keeps all the left rows that are matching the right. So what it does is that it keeps all the rows that are available in measures without adding the extra columns that we see in measure. In measure, we have the body mass and the flipper length. Then the anti-join keeps the left row that has no match in the right. In this case, we have 5 entries that are available in the penguin information that are not available in the measures. So this option right here, it automatically joins the column based on the unique column in both datasets. And as you can see, both datasets have penguin ID here as well. So they are being joined together. However, in a situation the name where the name of the column that are meant to be merged are different, we can manually do that by simply specifying the entries. It is also possible to add additional keys or columns you could join by. I will just leave this way and move on to the other merge block. So search the merge block. I added the merge block on the results of this join. The merge block simply does the same thing the join does. The only difference is that we have a list of options where you can specifically pick what you want to do. It is more clear having to do it this way. Do a Ctrl Shift and attach it to this merge. Set the ID that's unique for both. So the result here is simply doing an inner join. If you would select all.x, it means you're doing a left join. If you would select both, this is a full join, and if you would select Y, this is a right join. What if you like to join two or more data sets that have the same column names? And here in the penguins more, you would notice that the available column names are also present here. So we can take the result of this merge and join it to this to have a single data set. Append. What this does is that it takes two data sets and layer them vertically based on the matching column names. I would then do a shift drag to this, and as you can see, we have the data sets joined based on rows. This option here is simply to let us know where each data set is coming from. So this source simply says that these ones are coming from the first data set, while the second part is coming from this data set. Finally, I like to add new columns to your data set. To do that, you can take the result of this and append a block. Bind tables. However, it binds tables of the same length. So here we have 20 entries, and for this penguin extra columns, we have also 20 entries. We can then join this data, shift drag, and here we have the available columns here. We have here as the result of the join. These are several ways you can join your data in blockr.